Hi children, in today's maths class we are going to see third chapter algebra. In that chapter we are going to see the rational expression introduction, and in exercise 3.4 questions 1 and 2. In question 1 subdivision 1 to 4, in question number 2 subdivision 1 and 4. Rational expressions definition. An expression is called a rational expression if it can be written in the form of p of x divided by q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials and q of x is not equal to 0. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials. Here p of x is one polynomial and q of x is one polynomial. P of x means polynomial in x. Q of x means polynomial in x, where the denominator should not be equal to 0. That is, q of x is not equal to 0. Such an expression is called as rational expression. An expression is called a rational expression if it can be written in the form of p of x divided by q of x. Understand children? And q of x is not equal to 0. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials. The following are examples of rational expressions. 9 by x, it is one rational expression. 2y plus 1 divided by y square minus 4y plus 9. This is another one expression, rational expression. Next, a divided by a plus 10. That is the rational expression. The rational expressions are applied for describing distance, time, modeling multitask problems, to combine workers or machines to complete a job, schedule and much more, where we can apply the rational expressions for describing the distance, time, modeling multitask problems, to combine workers or machines to complete a job, schedule and much more. Reduction of rational expression. A rational expression p of x divided by q of x is said to be in its lowest form if GCD is equal to 1. That is, GCD of p of x and q of x is equal to 1. The rational expression is said to be in its lowest form. Now we are going to convert the given rational expression to its lowest form. What is meant by lowest form? If the GCD of p of x and q of x is equal to 1. To reduce the rational expressions to its lowest form, follow the given steps. How to reduce the given rational expressions to its lowest form? Follow the given steps. Step 1. Factorize the numerator and the denominator. You have to factorize both the numerator and the denominator. If there are common factors in the numerator and denominator, cancel them. Third step, the resulting expression will be the rational expression in its lowest form. First you have to factorize. First step, you have to factorize the numerator and denominator. If there are common factors, then you have to cancel them. The resulting expression will be the rational expression in its lowest form. Excluded value. A value that makes the rational expression, that is p of x divided by q of x, in its lowest form undefined, is called an excluded value. We are converting in the lowest form now children. After that, if you make that rational expression as undefined, that which value makes that rational expression undefined, such a value is called an excluded value. To find the excluded value, for a given rational expression in its lowest form, say p of x divided by q of x, consider the denominator q of x equal to 0. To find the excluded value, we have to consider the denominator q of x is equal to 0. Now we are going to see the sums. At that time you can easily understand this concept children, excluded value and the lowest form. Exercise 3.4, first one, reduce each of the following rational expressions to its lowest form. First one, x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x. Solution x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x. Now you see the denominator x square minus 1. Now we can write this as x square minus 1 square, because 1 square is nothing but 1. It resembles the formula a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus b. So the next step we can write x square minus 1 square, that is the numerator, as x plus 1 into x minus 1. In the denominator x is the common term, so we can take common term outside. Here it is x square. If you take x outside, the balance 1x. Here only x, you had taken 1x outside. So what is the balance? 1. Now x plus 1 get cancelled. So what is the balance? X minus 1 divided by x. Now this is the lowest form of the given rational expression. Is it clear, ma? First we have to factorize. If it is possible, we can cancel the common factors, then the remaining is the lowest form. Second question, x square minus 11x plus 18 divided by x square minus 4x plus 1 plus 4. Solution x square minus 11x plus 18 divided by x square minus 4x plus 4. Now you see the numerator, it is a polynomial, quadratic equation. That is quadratic polynomial, not quadratic equation. It is a quadratic polynomial. So we can solve, that is we can factorize. We can follow this method now, children, you know. In 9th standard itself you have studied. Here the coefficient is 1. So 1 into 18, 18 plus 18. Here what is the coefficient of x? Minus 11. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 18, whose sum is minus 11. So minus 9 minus 2. Minus into minus plus, 9 2s are 18. Minus 9 and minus 2, if you add you will get minus 11. So x minus 9, x minus 2, that is the factors. Now you come to the denominator. Here the coefficient is 1, 1 into 4, 4. Okay, what is the coefficient of x? Minus 4. So we have to find such two numbers whose product is plus 4. If you add, the total is minus 4. So minus 2 minus 2, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. So you will get plus 4 as product. If you add, you will get minus 4. Okay, so x minus 2 into x minus 2. The next step, x minus 2 get cancelled. So what is the balance? X minus 9 divided by x minus 2, lowest form. Now fourth question, p square minus 3p minus 40 divided by 2p cube minus 24p square plus 64p. Now the numerator is a quadratic polynomial, children, but in the denominator we can take some common term outside. Observe, what is the coefficient? It is a even number, so we can take 2 as common. Then p cube, p square, p, which is the least one, p power 1 is the least one. So we can take p also outside. So if you take 2p outside, here what is the balance? P square. How many 2s are 24? Because 2 only we had taken outside, no, 2 12s are, so 12 you have to put. Among that p square, already one p we can take outside, isn't it? We had taken outside, so balance is 1p. Then how many 2s are 64? 32. Only 1p already we had taken, so no remaining, so only 32. Now you come to the numerator. Numerator is a quadratic polynomial. Here the coefficient is 1, 1 into 40, 1 into minus 40, minus 40. Here what is the coefficient? Minus 3. So find such a two numbers, minus 8 plus 5. If you multiply, you will get minus 40. If you add, you will get minus 3 as answer. So p minus 18 into p plus 5. Here we had taken 2p outside. So p square minus 12p plus 32. Now p minus 8 into p plus 5. Take and write this 2p as it is. Now we can factorize this quadratic polynomial. If you factorize, that is 1 into 32, 32. Product is 32. Sum minus 12. Which two numbers, ma? Minus 8, minus 4. Minus into minus plus, 8 4s are 32. If you add, you will get minus 12. So p minus 8, p minus 4. Understand? We can take the common factor. We can cancel the common factor. P minus 8 get cancelled. So what is the numerator? P plus 5 divided by 2p into p minus 4. This is the final answer for this question, children. Yes, I hope you understand the summa.